Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello, Doug. Appreciate you being here. I think you're the owner, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'm going to go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing your value. Excuse me. First, content, backlinks, and citations. Content. Many companies build beautiful websites but fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization. Understand every time you type something into Google, as you may know, you're actually typing keywords into Google that they use to look for what you are asking from a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed in. See, Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You really want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. Keywords needed is very important on this focal point today. Now, backlinks. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement from your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. Citations. Citations or referring domains. That is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown as your Google profile would show. If you don't have a Google business profile, highly recommend you build one. It directly connects you, your business, to the citations and helps you rank in the maps. And the maps are extremely important to be seen in. I mean, how many times have you searched something on the map? Food near me, gas station near me, rest stop near me, you get the map. And that's directly related to citations with name, address, phone number, and the citation directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So once Google sees your business being referenced, the more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page. So here's what I find when I search auto repair Gastonia, because that's where you are. You have the map pack at first, and then everything underneath that is where the rank structure begins to take place. So we're looking for competitors and where they rank, not ads, not Yelp, not mechanics.com, not find me a mechanic. We want specific Daryl's Garage. That is an organic rank. This is auto repair in Gastonia, but it's millerautomotiveservice.com. Once I find these competitors and put them into this tool that I have. So, for example, I'm looking for auto repair Gastonia, but Mr. Nobody is not here anywhere. He's not listed. But your competitor is. So I grabbed him, Miller's Automotive, and I put him up here. So we can look at you, Mr. Nobody. I know you have two locations. Check you out. Let's do an overview of you. You have 178,000 backlinks, 66 referring domains, 62 keywords. That's excellent. But your domain ranking is kind of weak. He, Miller, has 950 backlinks, 50 referring domains, but he has organic keywords and he has organic traffic. And this is estimated monthly organic traffic from search, keyword search in Google. This is where he's getting you. So, very simple. You can see what he has. Let's take a look. Let's find out exactly. This was updated 6 days ago, September 20, 20 hours ago. So this is pretty accurate. So what do we have aside from Miller, and we've got a lot of Miller. Auto repair, Gastonia mechanics. We have Gastonia auto repair, 40, 50, 80, Miller, okay. We have car repair, Gastonia, 30. We have auto repair shops in Gastonia, 20. Brakes, Gastonia, 30. Miller repair, no, we don't want Miller. But oil change, Gastonia, 300 times. See, this goes on volume. This is per month. This is the exposure that you're missing per month on the keywords. We don't necessarily want auto body, generator shop, no. Oil change, Gastonia, oil change in Gastonia, 60 times. Car inspection, Gastonia, 100 times. So you can start to see where content and keyword really play a big factor. This is where he's got you. This is how he is outranking you, even though you are killing him on the backlinks and the referring domains. And it's just that simple. So with this tool, I'm able to see that. And once your content, your backlinks, and your citations, once they come together, you'll start to outrank your competition. You'll get recognized for the quality of your content. You'll quickly see the value of your business now as it's increased in its reputation and its ranking on Google. And that'll mean more exposure. That means revenue. And I just wanted to share this with you. So hopefully, with that being said, you have a better understanding of a website and how important it is to have one built correctly and the value that it can bring to you. If you find yourself wanting some more info, we could talk. I could I could do some research for you, see what's feasible for realistic for your business. I appreciate your time, Doug. I hope this was insightful, and thanks again.